Hello guys, again my name is Andrew of course, and today we have another unboxing, reviewing and testing of this LIVARNOLUX Cordless under cabinet light with motion sensor. With a magnet holder light, can be easily removed for charging. 3 years warranty for little, included battery, 4000K natural white, automatic lighting with motion sensor, approximately is 2 meter, approximately is 120 degrees, and USB charging cable included. Well, here is the box, how it looks. Well, 5 LED. Let's open it to see what we have inside. Some screw if you want to screw it into the wall. Yep, or doing a wood. The micro USB cable charging. And the manual, if you want to read it, of course, is your choice. Okay, here's the sensor. We have the off, auto, and on is a 3-way switch, and the light. Okay. 3M tape, micro USB charging port, DC 5 volt 1 amp. Okay. Included only the cable, and let's charge it. And it's going red as it's charging. Well, we are going to wait until it's fully charged. We are going to install it and to see how it works. Okay, here we are. It's green, that means it's fully charged. We can unplug it. And now let's going to install it and test it. For the installation we are going to use this 3M tape, or the screws if you want. And here's the magnet. It's a soft magnet with this metal. You can see, just put it here and magnetize it. And for the record, this has a lithium battery inside, 3.47 volt, 1800 milliamps of battery. Strong enough, and definitely it will take time to recharge it again. And here we are in my closet for my wardrobe, and just take out the 3M tape. And in the middle we can stick it, and if you want to charge it, just take it out, and with the magnet it will stay there. We can put it on auto. It's on auto now, and off and in on when you need all the time light. Okay, let's put it right. Okay, on auto. The doors are closed, and when I open the door, it will sense it. I can put my head just like that, and it will directly turn on the light. For the light to turn it off, just close it, and after 10 to 15 seconds it will turn off automatically. You can see the light here. 10 seconds, yes. Well guys, that was all about this cordless under cabinet light for your kitchen, and definitely it will do for your wardrobe. You have seen how it works, and I think for 12 euros, why not? It's a pretty nice price to take it and put it wherever it's suitable for you. And with all that, this is the end of the video. Thank you again for watching. Like or dislike my videos, your choice. Please subscribe, share this video, you never know who may need it, and definitely hit the notification bell because more videos in the future are coming and you don't want to miss it. Bye bye.